So today guys, actually I'm so grateful, I'm so excited. I'm finally receiving PR packages. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. And if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And yeah, I have a pimple. Actually, sijatoa nywele, that's why I have this kitambaa on. On today's video guys, I am unboxing and I want this recording on kwa hii mirror ni sawa. Mtu mwingine amepicha hapo akaniona, but I have to do it. Yeah, so today I want to unbox with you guys. Nishafungua the box. Yeah, this is the box, but nilifungua side ya chini. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, in front camera. But yeah, this is the box. It's a white box. Yeah, nilifungua because I already created content. Hey! I already created content for my Instagram stories. Yeah, and I just want to share with you guys the milestone and all, so that's why I'm unboxing with you. And too many more. Actually my skin imekuwa ikibehave vizuri lately, and I'm so glad I'm about to start a skincare routine. Oh yeah, the package ni skincare products. I'm going to show you guys. Alafu, if you want to know how I managed to get a PR package with less than 10k followers on Instagram and less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, please make sure you watch hadi huko mwisho. Nitataja huko mwisho video nikishamaliza kuonyesha the products, so stay tuned. So tuanze. Actually say it's around 1. Nimetoka kukula lunch, leftovers za jana usiku. Ilikuwa imerapiwa na this ninis. Hata tu nizitoe. Yeah, nilikuwa nakula leftovers za jana usiku. Jana I was craving pilau. And you can't imagine guys. Imagine nilipika pilau njeri. So you guys know pilau njeri? Like pilau with waru bila nyama. Like nilitumia the spices but sasa sikuwa na pesa ya nyama, so I just used waru. Na pia kitu funny ni hakuna waru kwa soko, so nilistruggle kupika hiyo pilau, but ilikuwa tamu, so cravings zangu zimekuwa sorted, so let's unbox. Yeah, ilikuja na this card. Okay, you can see guys. Acha niwasome. Imeandikwa, "Hey there Winnie. We are so excited to be sending you our Glow Face set and Radiant Body set. Yeah, the Glow Face set, it's great for clearing blemishes and brightening up dull skin. How to use: you cleanse, then use the serum, alafu moisturize. Then for the Radiant Body set, it's a smoothening set for glowy, radiant skin. Then for any question, reach us on wakaacha number hapo, sijui kama niwasomea ama nitaiacha hapo kwa screen. Yeah, then the card is written Seller Essence, Nature Given, Scent Driven. Yeah, alafu hapa nyuma wame include to like what the set ina involve. So the Glow Face set iko na cleanser, iko na the restorative face cream, alafu a face serum, alafu the Radiant Body set iko na coffee body scrub and shea butter yo ya body. Yeah, so that's the card. Alafu they also have 2 business cards. Yeah, nitaonyesha, nita insert an image hapa juu sasa natumia front camera, so acha kuonyesha haitasaidia. So the first product ni this the lighting. Jamani. Yeah, so that's the first product. Wacha tu niwatajie alafu I'll be inserting the photo hapa ama. Yeah, I think that's the best idea. The first product ni the gentle exfoliating face wash. Yeah, sasa this is the cleanser. Yeah, it's a gentle cleansing and exfoliating action without damaging the skin's protective barrier. It's for oily, rough, bumpy skin. Yeah, pia inasaidia kutoa acne, blackheads, whiteheads na pimples. Inasaidia kunini breakouts. Alafu the directions, should I really do this? But yeah. Direction, you use as a daily face wash to remove makeup, dirt and impurities. Yeah, you cleanse morning and or evening. So you wet your skin with lukewarm water. Si mnajua lukewarm ni gani? Si baridi na si moto. Then pump cleanser into hands. Yeah, so una kwa mkono, then no, you nini your skin kwanza with lukewarm water ndo ikue wet, then you pump the cleanser. Iko hivi, iko na the pump. Sijaanza kuzitumia, that's why, but I'll do a video nikizitumia. So yeah, then you massage into skin in a gentle circular motion, then you rinse thoroughly and pat dry without rubbing. Like you pat with a towel. That's basically it. Yeah, then wamesema avoid eye contact. Slightly foaming with velvety lather that does not dehydrate the skin. Okay. Yeah, that's basically it for the face wash. That was the first product. On to the next. Niliwaambia hiyo ya skin, there are two sets. Kuna the glow face set na radiant skin set. So nimeanza na ya face. Ya face kuna hiyo face wash. Then kuna hii ya pili. It's the restorative face cream. Hii ina repair and replenish, alafu regenerates skin. Yeah, this cream repairs damaged skin, soothes irritations and leaves your skin supple. Yeah, imagine that's just it. So here, the usage, you use it twice daily. Massage the cream onto the face in an upward, outward motion. Yeah, and it's best for all skin types. Hii niliwaambia ni for oily, rough and bumpy skin. Yeah, my skin inakuanga oily. That's why niliwaambia before they send the package. Then this is for all skin types. Sasa hii inatumika, this is like the moisturizer. Chanjaribu kufungua. Yeah, this is the sasa ni moisturizing cream. It's white in color. Sasa on to the next. The next product ni serum. Of course mnajua this kachupa ni inakwanga ya serum. So usage ya serum. Yeah, apply a few drops to face. Chatu niwaonyeshe. So you guys know how to use a face serum. Okay. Haki kufungua ni. Sasa you use this nini. Ni kama zile vitu za chem, zile za practical. Ilikuwa inaitwa nini? Iodine. Ya kuna hiyo kitu ilikuwa tunatoanga na this. Sasa si like unatoa hizo drops alafu kuzidrop kwa skin unafinya hii nini ya black. Hey, not me giving you directions na sijaanza kutumia hizi products. Yeah, but you guys can tell the way I'm excited. So direction, apply a few drops to face after moisturizing. So see like yeah, after you moisturize, mi sijui which comes first. Ni serum ama ni moisturizer ndio inafaa ikuje ya kwanza. Hata sijui, guys niambieni. Then you massage gently until absorption. But I think serum ndio inakuanga ya mwisho. Yeah, serum ndio inafaa ikuwe ya mwisho. So face wash, upake hiyo cream alafu serum. Siko sure, mniambie before I start using them. Yeah, hiyo sasa hizo products ndo zilikuwa za face. Yeah, no, Yeah, hiyo sasa it's like it's a set on its own, but sasa wakanitumia hii haikuwa included kwa the set. I think ilikuwa tu an extra. It's a activated charcoal clay mask. Detoxifying clay mask lifts away impurities with charcoal while nourishing skin with antioxidants. It's for troubled acne prone skin. Like kama skin yako inakuanga prone to acne. By the way, notice leo nimevaa tu no strings. Ama bado hamja notice. Yeah, this one is for both men and women. Deep pore cleansing, detoxifying and revitalization. So mnajua how to use a mask. Hii it's in powder form, so I'll have to nini kwa maji. I'll have to mix it with water. Alafu I apply it kwa uso, then I rinse it off. Ama I wipe it off with a wet towel. But yeah, nitaonyesha tu you guys how I'll use it. So this is a mask. Hii haikuwa kwa nini, haikuwa included kwa the Glow Face set, but so we go to the Radiant Body set. The first product niliwaambia ni this coffee body scrub. Inanuka tu kama coffee by the way, and it's inakaa so ugly, but the smell, hii ukienda kujiscrub kwa bafu utashinda uko tu juu the smell manze. So the direction, you massage generously over wet skin. So you have to like wet your skin. Hii lazima tu tumie kwa bafu. Into a rich lather, concentrate on areas needing exfoliation, then rinse. Mi kwanza my elbows need exfoliation huku na my knees. Yeah, so you concentrate huko kwenye aki nywele inaniwasha. Nani atanitoa aki? On areas needing exfoliation, then rinse. Yeah, you have to rinse ndo sasa uanze kuoga. Si eti utaoga ikiwa kwa skin. Nawaambia nimekuwa mtu wa kuongelea skin. For best results, follow with our moisturizing shea body butter for your skin type. Yeah, what I'm about to show you guys. Yeah, and wame nini hapa wame specify for body use only. So then you can use it on your face. Yeah, and it's I think it's one of the best products yenye nime receive from her. Like the smell, kila kitu tu inaniita kwa hiyo product. Then the final, last but not least, I can finally start using this stuff. Imagine zimekaa tu kwa box for 2 days just because I'm not done this video, but gladly nimeimaliza. So this is the shea butter. Yeah, acha tu nisifungue. So you guys know you've used shea butter ama you've heard people mentioning shea butter. It's actually a nice product. Yeah, it's ultra hydrating and nourishing body butter. Oh yeah, it's shea body butter with panthenol and snail. Ni mucin ama ni masin. Then huku directions, how usage, apply the butter after a shower or following an exfoliation treatment for absolute best results. It's advised for any skin type. So yeah, that's it for my PR package. So on to the next, how I got the PR package. Actually, it's so funny, but it's not funny. I started, nilianza kuwa serious na my content creation hii mwaka around May. Yeah, so hapo ndo nikaanza kuinvest my time and knowledge, doing my research about everything about content creation. But then if you want to start anything to do with content creation, unaweza anza kuwatch. Kuna these YouTubers, they wanaongea a lot about content creation and everything to do with influencing, PR packages, hizo vitu zote. My two favorites, kuna anaitwa Vanessa Lau and Modern Millie, if you're interested. in knowing everything to do with content creation. So yeah, when you manage to get this PR package, I shoot my shot. Yeah, ni hivyo tu. I just gained my courage, nikaenda nika Google how to approach brands, the email, hizo email templates ziko huko tu Google. Message, nikaangalia two examples za venye you can write DMs, and if I tell you guys, niliandikia more than 50 brands collaboration proposals. Mnaweza nishanga, but yeah, a few zili respond, zingine zili reject, but ndo tunaanza, so we can't give up. But I'm so glad one actually managed to respond na ikanitumia PR package. Ndio zingine zimerespond but bado wananiambia ningoje. So nilianza kutuma hizi products when not products, the proposal when I was at 5,000 followers, and now niko 8,000. Nilituma my first proposal at 5,000 and my first PR package ilinifikia nikiwa at 8,000. So mimi tunaweza waambia don't give up. Hata ukituma ukiwa na 1,000 followers na mtu akwambie tu ungoje, imagine just wait, atakutumia like akiona like you're putting in the work and what, yeah, put in the work and be consistent. Na uombe, imagine unaweza fanya hizo vitu zote but grace ya God kama haija kulocate, hakuna kitu ita happen. So just pray alafu utume proposals. Yeah, I actually didn't know about the brand, so nilienda to Instagram and I started to search brands zenye I think I can work with them. Definitely singeenda ati nianze kutumia proposal brand kubwa kama tuseme Garnier ama Nivea. So I have to start small. Kama you have a small following, usijisumbua tukienda huko ku propose to big brands. Imagine just anza too small alafu you'll grow with time. Yeah, I think that's it. Wacha sasa I go edit. I have like 3 videos to edit. Yeah, and I made sure that hii video itakuwa a one sitting, ndo nisikuwe na kazi mob ya ku-edit. So yeah, that was it for my unboxing, my PR package. So I think I'll see you next when nikitumia hizi products. Yeah, so I'll see you next week, I guess. Bye. Love ya.